Now, the Indian state of Kerala is grappling with full-scale devastation. At least 308 people have been killed and over 200 have been reported injured after massive landslides struck the Wayanad district on Tuesday. Four people have been rescued by the Indian Army from the site of the disaster on Friday. However, with the death toll expected to rise, the state authorities say it may take a week to count the final number of deaths. 40 teams have resumed rescue operations after reports. After rescue efforts entered day 4, the army has been able to bring over 1,000 people to safety, while over 200 continue to remain missing. The difficult terrain and hilly area is hampering the mission, which has been made harder by scattered debris from roads and bridges. The Indian Army has meanwhile completed building a Bailey Bridge in the district to facilitate heavy earth-moving machinery in reaching the affected areas. 140 soldiers completed building the 190 feet long bridge in under 31 hours amid heavy rains to restore road connectivity. Locals who know the topography of the area are also helping the army with the mammoth rescue operations. The state's Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has also said that efforts are underway to rehabilitate the displaced people. This comes after Health Minister Veena George revealed that thousands are now being accommodated in relief camps. She added that the government's priority is to provide psychological help for those affected, while those controlling also the spread of contagious infections. Now, as per the National Disaster Relief Force, another landslide is expected in the area, which continues to be battered by heavy rainfall. Simultaneously, 2 helpline numbers reflecting on the right side of the screen have also been issued. The Indian Met Office predicts continuing rainfall in the district over the next couple of days. Warnings have also been issued for districts that include Idukki, Thrissur, Palakkad, Malappuram, Kozhikode, Kannur and Kasaragod. Meanwhile, on Thursday, India's leader of the opposition, Rahul Gandhi, and sister Priyanka Gandhi visited Wayanad district, calling the disaster an immense tragedy. The leaders met with the grieving residents and offered their condolences. Countries including the US, Russia, China and Iran have also expressed their sympathy over the deaths due to the landslides. And our correspondent Siddharth MP sent us this ground report from Wayanad. Take a look.
All thanks to the Indian Army. It's all credit to them. What they've pulled off is they've built a makeshift bridge over here, and there's a massive truck here, an army truck in camo greens. That truck is able to easily cross that bridge with no effort, because this is a bridge that's rated to carry a structure that is almost 24 tons in weight. So this truck is testimony to how strong that bridge is, and this bridge is a game changer in the rescue and relief operations here. Because of this bridge, the army and the rescue forces can transport more men, more materials, more equipment to a cut-off region. Mundakai, that is among the worst hit places, that's uphill from here. So once they move in more men and material, more vehicles, the operations there can be sped up. All these days, the operations there were carried out by people on foot, walking several kilometers, climbing uphill in the harshest of conditions amid rain. But then now they can go in the comfort at least of their vehicles, and they can carry out their work. This operation is ongoing. There are efforts, there are attempts being made to recover the mortal remains of as many people as possible, because there is no clear idea of how many people are missing. There's no clear idea of how many people to look for. At the same time, the hope is completely grim for those who may have survived all of this, because it's been almost 72 hours, and for all of these people to survive that wrath and impact and remain under the debris alive for all that time, that is equally hard. But then that bridge that stands over there is testimony to the efforts and the perseverance of the rescue forces. It's total synergy here that's on display. Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, NDRF, Kerala state authorities, name it. They're all here by the thousands from different parts of the country to ensure that this place can at least see some hope and some relief and rescue operation in the limited means possible. With video journalist Rajesh Dwivedi, Siddharth MP, WION, World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.